Alright, y'all, here comes the train. There's the man right there. That's a good sounding horn there. First train of 2026, y'all. After 9 straight days of nothing. Finally. This is actually my first train of 2026. I have not gotten anything for 9 days straight. Nothing. I032. Sorry for the shakiness, y'all. I do apologize for the shaky camera. The wind is really picking up on the string. There goes the CSX I032. Oh. CSX I036 heading northbound. To, I don't know. I'll listen for the accident.
CSX Equipment Defect Detector Milepost 295.0.